Hi, so this is the LM358 Op-Amp. It's a popular choice in a lot of circuits. How do we use it? Let me show you in a key catch schematic. Alright, so it has two inputs, an inverting input here and a non-inverting input here. If the voltage on the non-inverting input is higher, the output goes up. If the inverting input is higher, the output goes down. So I'm going to put my reference voltage, which is 3.3 volts in this case, to the non-inverting input, and my voltage input to the non-inverting pin. This way, whenever the voltage input goes above the reference voltage, the output will be high. You also need to tie its powering pins, which is the 8th and the 4th pin, 8th pin being the voltage in and the 4th pin being the ground. And now if we just tie a LED in here, like that, whenever the supply voltage goes above 3.3 volts, this LED will light up.